Next year, the Old State House Museum will mark the American Civil War Sesquicentennial with 4 years of exhibits, reenactments, and programs. To commemorate this event, the museum's hosting 5 exhibits from 2011 to 2015. A major part of those exhibits will be the Old State House Museum's collection of Civil War battle flags. This past fall, we received 2 new flags into our collection. The first of these 2 flags is from the Consolidated 6th and 7th Arkansas Infantry Regiment. It is based on the Confederate Second National pattern. The second flag is attributed to Hart's Battery, a artillery unit that was first organized in Dallas, Arkansas. Both the 6th and 7th flag and Hart's Battery flag require substantial conservation before they can be exhibited. Conservation of Civil War battle flags is a very tedious, technical, and expensive process to undertake. The total cost of stabilization of the 2 flags is roughly $25,000, and our goal is to have the flags conserved for exhibit by 2012. To help us preserve this piece of Arkansas history, you can make contributions to this project at the Old State House Museum website. Go to oldstatehouse.com, click on Support the Museum, then save the flags, and donate using our easy-to-use online secure form. Thank you for your support and taking the time to watch this video.